Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram profile. Okay, let's get started. Go on your Instagram and here click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner and then click edit profile. And here you see that there are currently no options. Now if you also head over to the settings page and scroll around, there is currently no option for music on my profile here on Instagram now. Now, alternative way you can actually add music to your profile is go to your home page and then head over to your direct messages section. In the direct messages section, you are going to want to click on your note. Here you will see music icon. Click on it and here you can choose any song that you want. And basically this works as an alternative way to add music on your profile. Everybody will see this, so if you have a following, they will be able to see it, as well as save songs too. And when you are done with that, you can just go ahead and put a song and then click share. This is how to add music to your Instagram profile. If you appreciate me making a video just like this, just go ahead and give me a like also, subscribe if you're new, and I want to see you in next video. Bye.